Hey, what up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming today. That's to my old subscribers and to anyone who is not here for the first time but then you refuse to subscribe. Welcome back to you, okay? But then if you're just stumbling on my YouTube channel right here, thank you so much for coming. My name is Funke Oshin. And of course, a very much welcome, a very big and warm welcome to you. Thank you for joining the family. I believe that after watching this video, you will want to join the family by subscribing. So to everyone watching right now, you're welcome, welcome. Yeah, so today's video, you've seen the title already. I'm going to be unboxing. For a very long time, I've been on YouTube for more than 2 years, actively churning out content and calling myself a YouTuber. All this while, if you've been following me, you would know that I don't really use external lights. I just make sure that my room is lit. I've made some videos about my setup and I make sure my room is lit. Or during the day, I just use natural lights, and then I open my windows and use the lights that God has provided. Yes. I wanted to buy a proper light, but then I thought, let me start. I've seen people use ring lights for their videos and then it still come out well. With all the lights in my house right now, I just feel if I add a ring light to it, it's not going to be bad, So I bought, it's Black Friday season, so I decided to take advantage of that and then buy ring light from JUMIA. Yeah, it came in this package. I would have opened this thing, but no, I said I have to unbox it right here because why not? I bought it for the purpose of my YouTube content creation, so why not come unbox it here? So this is it. It came in this package, and we have it here. Yeah, how much did I get it? Let me get the receipt. Item price is 7,828 naira 55 cents. Actually, I think it's 7,000 or 75. Yes, it's 75, but because of that, and then delivery, eventually I paid 8,278 naira 55. Did I say cents? Oh wow.
Yeah, boy, yeah, man.
I'm not gonna say anything about that, but then I just said cents instead of kobo. So let's unbox this right now. I want you guys to see it very well, so I'm gonna be leaving this chair and then sitting on the floor so you can see the unboxing. Okay, let's go. Let's just manage this, guys. Okay, so here we go. So we've got the tripod stand and the ring light. Okay, I think this is a good place to have a thumbnail. Let's make a thumbnail. No, that's okay. That's okay. So yes, it comes with a tripod stand. Let's see that. Okay, so it's basically like the one I have already. Yes, this is I'm gonna stand up again to open this. And then the ring light is in here. Okay, I actually kind of expected it to be wider than this. It's here. So we have all these extra things that we'll figure out how to use very soon. So I think this is the phone holder. This is the ring light itself. I expected it to be wider than this because I saw 26 centimeters. Anywho, we shall see. And the tripod stand is 10 inches long. I'll still extend that for you to see. So it comes with, hey, you can be careful. I don't know what this is yet. We'll know very soon. I don't know what this is yet. Okay, so I think this is how we are going to be plugging it. This is my first ring light, by the way, but I've seen some, I've helped some content creators to mount some too. So it comes with a USB connector, USB cord, like this. So control, and this will also figure out how to use soon. Let's set this up and see how it works. Okay, so now we're gonna extend this. Like I said, it's it's like the same length with the current tripod that I'm using. Okay, so we're gonna just like open, it comes this way, open it up and extend it, click it back, open, extend and click back. 10 centimeter, not as long as I expected it to be, but then it will still work since you are going to be sitting most of the time and the light doesn't even have to be close to your head like this. Yes, production hack. How do we fix these brothers? No manual, so I guess you have to use this picture right here to figure this out. Okay. Woo. We did it. We did it, Joe. So now let's plug this. Yeah, it's on. Now let's take it backwards and see how it works. Okay, so without the lights and with the lights. Okay, I think it has more than one light. Ooh, kind of yellow. Oh wow, like fluorescent without, with. Oh wow. For this one, without, with. Awesome. And for this, without, with. Which one is my favorite? Let's see. I think it depends on where I'm shooting. Right now, I think I'm confused. Okay, let me see. I think I prefer this right now. And this looks nice too. Wow, this light really does a lot of magic, guys, because see me without the light, and when it's turned on, voila. So you can reduce the strength and increase. Yeah, I think I like what I'm seeing. So I'm about to have the wonderful production quality. Yeah. So what's the name of the tripod? The tripod is called Ring Feel Light. Yeah, that's the name right here. That's a strange name to have for a brand though. Ring Feel Light, made in China, of course. But I got it from JUMIA. I'm gonna try to make this create an affiliate link on this, so you can support my ministry by clicking, if you want to buy it, by using the link that I put in the description below. So when you click that link, I get a little commission. Not that much, but then it's still gonna go do something. Yeah, so I get a little commission on your purchase, so you can use my link and take advantage of this Black Friday to get your ring light if you're in need of one. I mean, what is 1,000? You can sacrifice and get it. Thank you so much. That's it on unboxing my ring light from JUMIA. I would also appreciate if you click on the like button, because it helps YouTube algorithm to spread this video everywhere. Then if YouTube sees that people like this video, they're gonna advertise it to more people to watch. They're gonna push it out to more people to watch, and that's, is like a plus for me if more people get to watch my video. Don't forget to put your comment down there. What do you think about the tripod? I said tripod, but then what do you think about the ring light? Are you gonna be getting one? So if you haven't gotten it yet, honestly, having an external light does a great deal of work. I'm shooting right now at night. This is around let me check the time. It is around 11 p.m. and I'm shooting right here. So it comes in handy for those of you who rely on natural lighting. What do I want to get natural lighting at 11 p.m.? So yeah, something like this comes in handy for you. So get it, go copy it using the description below. My name is Funke and I'll see you next time. Toodles!